This adjustable doweling jig comes with everything you need in a complete kit to handle 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 inch dowels. And it gives you precise repeatability. That is key. The company did send me this in exchange for this video. Here's a closer look. Here's a few key features. They have measurements on the side. You can remove this center pin, and where you place that pin is how far away this will be from the center of the holes. So you could release this. I had it set to 3/8, but you could come down here, and when it lines up, now I'm at 1 1/8, and you can do that on both sides. Now that's on 3/8, that's on 3/8, everything is locked down. I like these little pins right here because this board is 3/4 of an inch. You can drop the board in here, snug it up nice and tight. Let me move this all the way to the end. And now I can confirm I am right on the center. Each one of the drill bits comes with a collar. I have already depth stopped this, so when that goes in, it'll stop right there. See how it's all coming together? It's not that complicated. Remember, this can only go in the correct amount. Perfectly centered holes. I'll repeat the process. The moment of truth. Look at that. Perfectly aligned, completely flat. That is a professional job right there. I'll glue these up. I'll be good to go. Love it. I consider precision tools like this a big benefit because it keeps me from wasting material and, more importantly, wasting my time redoing something a second or third time. I like to get it right the first time, and this helps me. This is a complete kit. Here's some extension rods you might need. It has extra pins. If you want to switch up to the 1/2 inch, you've got these 1/2 inch collars on here. All of these options here, those pre-drilled spaces, they provide 1/16 increments so you can get the position of your drill holes exactly where they need to go. I know this tool looks complicated. It is not that complicated. And again, it can be a big time saver.